Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your WordPress theme safely. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on appearance and then click on themes. So these are my current theme, and now I'm going to show you how to delete theme. So I want to delete this theme, so click on theme details, and after that here we can see a delete option, so click on it. Okay, and the theme has been successfully deleted. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.